I'm actually in the house walking around on the floor. And I know I cut y'all off short last week, and we didn't make any video of what we was doing at the end of the day or anything because we fucking got in the car and forgot. But so I want to just briefly walk around and show you what the floors look like. And then we'll go outside and we'll look and I'll show you what I did last Friday. So first thing I'm seeing in here, I'm seeing stain on the wall, stain on the baseboards. So pretty much I'm going to come back through here and paint all the baseboards. I'm going to have to get 3 transition strips for the bathrooms. Dust on every fucking thing, sand and dust. Got to be all cleaned off. Wow. But the floors look good. I don't see any runs, no puddles, nothing like that. I see a bunch of shit that's gonna have to be tightened back up. Damn. Look at all that fucking sand and dust all over every fucking thing. And so let's take a little look in this fucking room back here. It's the living room. Well, look at that. 2 cable things that I missed. We can see them now. One over there. We were talking about that the other day. About how there was like about 20 of them. 20 cable things. Missed all over the fucking house. But anyway, on Friday, when I was coming through here Friday, it drizzled rain. It's a little recap of what happened until about 12 o'clock. So I worked inside. I put another coat of mud in here. That just needs a little bit of a light sand so you can come in here and paint that. Also, I painted the gable end of that garage and the soffit and the fascia board of the garage right there. And then I put some blocking up in there to straighten this roof. That roof, the ceiling joists up there they were bent and twisted. So straighten that up. I'll do the other side. I got to fix the garage door. And so right now we're measuring for shoe molding that I'm going to have to stain with this stain right here that the guy left me. It's walnut stain. And then put some polyurethane on it, some satin polyurethane. And pretty much that's where we're at today. It's probably going to come over here and finish painting the garage. I got to paint this side over here. Paint that. Paint that side right there in the top of the window and the back gable side of the garage. So then we're going to, then after we get done with all that shit sometime this week, we'll be up there putting flanges on up there and painting all that fucking wrought iron. And we got to put the gutters back on. And some of the gutters are going to need some help. There's some broken pieces and shit like that that I'm going to have to address and deal with. And they're going to leak into seams, and I'm going to have to spray them down and clean them with some bleach. Get all that shit straight. And after everything's done, the front porch, all the concrete's painted and everything else, the very last thing I want to do is take those windows out and take them up to Danny's Glass and get new glass put in. I was hoping to do some crack repair on some of these cracked windows, but the guy was telling me that he thinks that each one of those kits only repairs a 3-inch crack. So we'll have to wait and see how that works out. So I'm going to go ahead on and continue on and see where we get to today on day 65 of the house renovation. New light to put up in the fucking living room, and it's a fucking LED light. Check that shit out. I've seen LEDs, but I've never seen one to fucking go up in the fucking ceiling like that.
Everybody puts them in bathrooms.
That's plain cool as fuck. Wow. Ain't that some shit? You don't even gotta change the light bulbs in that bitch. That's cool, man. So that's what's going up in here to replace that old raggedy ass one that we took from one of the bedrooms. So
Standard.
once he gets done putting it in, we'll do a little demonstration on it and see what it looks like.
Show the bulb will come out.
So you gotta just don't put the two wires side by side and screw the wire nut on. And then once you got your wire nuts on and everything, you fucking turn the light on and test it before you install it.
Make sure you read the instructions and make sure it's got a crossbar with the.
Yeah, that's right. This is gonna be a demonstration of this fucking new LED light. Well, look at that. It motherfucker works. Now all I gotta do is put the globe on it, and that will be done. I'll go in here and fuck around with this front porch a little bit like that, and then we'll walk around and go over what we did today, and then and we're gonna end this day. And today has been a pretty good day so far, and it'd be even better if I could get them fucking them railings off the concrete down there, but it ain't looking like that's gonna happen. But we will see. Now I'm at the day 65, at the end of the day 65, and it is Monday, and my new person that works with me came into work today and did perfectly good. He got a bunch of shit done. All them fucking siding right there that had fucking BB holes in it and shit, he pulled all that out and replaced all that shit. He put all them gutters back up on the house. Put the LED light up inside. Cut that fucking wooden post out of the way. Straighten up and organize the garage. Fucking put the handle poles on the cabinets. Got a bunch of shit done today. So that's where we're at the end of day 65 of the house renovation. So tomorrow we're going to stop in the morning and go and get a load of quarter round or shoe molding, and we're going to install that in the house. Going to polyurethane it and put some stain on it, some walnut stain. I'm also going to get some concrete anchors for the front railings, and hopefully we'll go ahead on and start cutting them bolts out and drilling some holes with some masonry bits and installing that shit. So some of us had to close the renovation. It's getting close to being done and over. And also we got the garage painted. The rear rake boards are painted. The soffits on the other side of the garage are done. So no more paint on the garage is needed. All that shit is done. It's a done deal. So now we just got to wash the two roofs, put the railings on the front, paint that utility room, and put the shoe molding down. And we'll be done here until they get a home inspection and a contract on the house, at which point we'll have to come back and fix whatever that the home inspector finds. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV and hit the like button. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section or email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, and I'll make sure that I get back with you and give you an answer to your question. So also I've got another 400 videos of other shit that we done, and some rust restoration videos and stuff like that you might like. So while you're at Get Go TV on the channel, take an opportunity to watch the rest of the videos that we got. Some of them, anything that might interest you, or you might find it interesting to go back to the beginning of day one of the house renovation, so you can see where we started at and follow it all the way through if you haven't already been watching it every day. So y'all have a good day. I'm gonna pack my shit in that fucking vehicle right there and hit the trail, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 66 of the house renovation.